While dealing with numbers in Excel, we come across majorly five types of data types: the decimal, time value, date time value, currency value, and percentage value. And we have to, before we start doing any analysis or doing any work on this, we want to quickly format our values into appropriate format. For example, for decimal value, I would like to see all the numbers into two decimal places. So the quickest way of doing it is to select all those numbers and use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift 1. Control Shift 1, if we press all of them together, will format any selected cell number values to two decimal places. Similarly, if I have to do transform or format any given value as a time and if I have to transform it in time, so I'll perform Control Shift 2. For date value, the default date format, if I need to format into default date format, I'll use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift 3. And in case of it's a date time value, and let's say I just need only time, I want to just represent time. If I'll format it as using Control Shift 2, it will just show the time. And if I'll do a Control Shift 3, it will show me the date. So that's about date time. Now if I have to format this into a currency format, if I'll do a Control Shift 4, it will convert or format the number into the default currency format of the system. So at the moment, my default currency format of my system is a dollar with two decimal places, and hence Excel has formatted my values as that. If you wish to change this default format, you have to change your default currency format default currency format of your system, be it your Windows or a Macintosh. Similarly, if I have to format any given value into percentage, so right now let's say 0.1, technically it's a 10%. If I want to show it as a 10%, I'll select it and use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift 5. And the easiest way to remember these keyboard shortcuts, especially for currency and the percentage, is if you look at the symbols above these numbers. On 5 you have a percentage sign, on 4 you have a dollar sign, so hence Control Shift 4 will format into default currency format, and Control Shift 5 will do me a percentage format.